What's up and welcome back to Adhesive. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make DIY stickers at home. Here is the preview of the stickers that I made. You can take the pictures for making these stickers either from a storybook, you can draw them, or you can take a printout. For the base, you will need some adhesive foil or a thick sheet of plastic. You can't use the normal plastic covers that you get from shopping malls because it is too thin and it will not work for making the stickers. These are the materials that you will need all together. For my first sticker, I am going to be cutting this picture out from my storybook. You can cut your picture however you want, but I am going to be cutting it around the edges, leaving a little space. I have finished cutting my picture. Now I am going to show you how to make this into a sticker. So first I am going to show you how to make stickers with adhesive foil. Take your picture and put it on the smooth side of the adhesive foil. Now cut out a square or a rectangle regarding the shape of the picture. And by the way, remember that you have to use the smooth side. So place the picture on the smooth side only. Keep the picture on the sheet and take a piece of tape and stick it onto the picture and the sheet. Make sure to get rid of all the air bubbles. When you're cutting this, you have to be very careful because you have to cut the picture by leaving a little space on the side. Now, I'm going to show you how to stick the sticker. You can just peel off the paper at the back of the sticker. And now the back is sticky. You can stick the sticker wherever you want. I'm just going to be sticking this on my file folder. And here it is. Now, I'm going to make a sticker by drawing. I'm going to be drawing Mickey Mouse. Now, I'm going to outline and color this drawing. I'm done coloring and I just did the same process over again and stuck it on the smooth side of the adhesive foil after cutting. And then I cut it out with a little space on the sides. Here we have the final sticker of Mickey Mouse. Now I'm going to be making stickers by printing them out. This character's name is Marinette Dupin-Chain. She is my favorite character. And again, repeating the same process over. I'm just cutting it out. Placing it on the smooth side of the adhesive foil. Cutting out a square or rectangle based on its shape. Sticking a piece of tape. Getting rid of the air bubbles. And cutting it out by leaving more space. Here is the final sticker. You can watch as I do the same process over again. But this time I cut this picture out from my old books. So if you have any old school books that you don't use anymore, you can just take a picture from your books and make them into stickers. And done. Now I'm going to be making a sticker using a different technique. I'm going to be making it by using the thick sheet of plastic that I showed you earlier. Here I'm just cutting out a square or rectangle based on its shape. Take a piece of tape and stick it onto the plastic that we have cut before putting the picture on. After that, take the picture and keep it onto the piece of plastic and stick another piece of tape on top of that also. The main difference here is that we are using two pieces of tape. Make sure to get rid of all the bubbles. And again, cut out the picture by leaving a little place on the sides. Your sticker is ready. I'm going to show you how to stick your sticker. So you have to remove the plastic. And now the back side is sticky. So you can stick it wherever you want. Once again, I'm just going to stick it on my file folder. Here are all the stickers together. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys so much and I'll see you next time.